Yo, what it do, what it done, what it is, what it isn't. You already know what this is. This is once. We're not saying magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into, Zian. I'm your host, P Fire, aka P's are good, P's are good. And this is another episode of nice bit of kit that by now you already know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go around the camera, come and shot, and we're gonna do it like we're doing it for TV. Guys, let's do it. Guys, it's too much. It's too much. Oh shit. Did I even get in camera? Let me show you, God. Let me give you the close-ups, man. The sun is trying to hate on, but you're gonna see it. Guys, let me give you a twirl RJ right now. Little twirl to the RJ. Let me give you a close-up of the back. You see that hood right there, pause. Guys, should we get into it? Let's get into it. Guys, today we have this CP Company 24 project from the Urban Protection range, and it's a 2005 jacket. Guys, I'll put it there because that might have sounded all mushed up, but this is from the Urban Protection range. You know, kind of like I was talking about with the Metropolis series, and they had the Urban Protection range, which is kind of more like sort of futuristic work, functionality, design, you know, that kind of hardware and stuff, super dope materials, you know, really a sort of a level up from, it was kind of maybe like the Shadow Project in a way, you know, that sort of a bit more adventurous and a bit more, you know, sort of experimental. Anyway guys, let me show you what we have here. We have this beautiful, beautiful jacket. Oh, let me just show you the inside, the literature. It's all different already. Again, I got this from Brian Transplant. I'll put his name down below. Super nice. Urban Protection range, 24 project. Let's get into it, guys. As you can see, there's my waist right there. As you can see, there's the jacket. I'm just going to come really close so you can start seeing the details. It's in this really nice cotton. Super nice, super dope. Just I say it's cotton, it's polyamide really. I think it's 100% polyamide, but it feels like a hard wearing cotton. Of course you can see, in fact, cuff arches, as you can see, boom, nice bit of rumage there, you know, so you can go about your stuff and still have a bit of room. Really nice. On this one, left hand side, look at this, super dope. Look, you got a little zip right there. Look what's there. So if you need to put your mobile phone or something, you could hook it to that. I don't even know, something that needs hooking can be hooked. And I'll just put that away. So you see already what I mean by that sort of functionality mixed with design. Super nice, boom, lovely. Equilibrium saying beautiful thing, except not this time, as this does not have the zip. So we have to move on and say, damn, unlucky right arm, unlucky. All right, cool. Let's look at the zippage. So we're gonna zip this up, and I'm gonna show you what zips we have here. Okay, so guys, let me zip this up, and we have these sort of kind of heavy duty YKK zipper, very nice, a bit more sturdy than your usual. As you can see, it fits like a nice little fill jacket. You see your zip strip right there. You have 1, 2, 3, 4. You have 4 buttons right there, and these buttons, oops, fasten down with the rivets. Let me just do that like so you can see. Boom. And of course the top one fastens down like that, and you've got that really nice collar. As you can see, you've got another little sort of fastener right there that goes across, so you can fasten right there. Let me show you that. This jacket, just so many little details. As you can see, got a little metal piece right there, and you fasten that there. You see, very, very nice. Let me just move this down. So the bag's trying to fly away. Just zip down. Guys, there's so many layers to this jacket, so I'm just gonna take it off just so you can start to see what we're dealing with. So look inside there, workman or workman. This allows you to do this, and just put it so you can see. Allows you to do that. Very nice. Of course, you've got the CP Company all over. Look at that. 24 project, you see it right there. Super nice, super nice, guys. It also allows you to, let me show you, as you can see, look, it's got that, allows you to, so it allows you to click, and of course, can you see on there, it says CP Company. Super nice, guys. Really nice. He didn't want to let this go. look, more literature. You see that CP Company 24, but you know, everything goes at certain times, I guess. Look, a nice little stripe right there, says 24. Really nice, guys. You got your tag, your CP Company right there. This is brand new, not been worn. What else? Of course, you got that membrane in there, which gives you that waterproofing, or at least that water resistance. You see once they start taping the seams. Super nice. Let me just give you a little so you can see it. You've got this membrane here, which has, as you can see, what we were looking at earlier. So that must thread all the way through the jacket. You've got too much. You've got a little compartment there. It's crazy, guys. It's crazy. Let's give you a little look at the back. Of course, you can see the back. It's got this sort of hood, and this hood is actually detachable, as you can see. Boom. You know, and it just shows you that nice panel right there, a detachable hood. And this is in a kind of, I mean, it will help you if the tappity tap tap comes down, but you know, it's not gonna save your life. Nice little peaked hood there, just for, you know, in case, you know, you do get caught up in this jacket. You'd hate to, but you know, with the taped seams and things like that, you're probably going to be totally a-okay. This jacket, guys, is really nice. Like I said, 2005, you know, this is a different level of innovation and quality. I say innovation, it's not that it's really innovative, but you know, they were taking time to sort of make pieces that I think maybe was a bit more thought provocative. Do you know what I mean? Like, you know, just having all this extra accoutrement there makes, you know, for someone like me, I'm a bit of a nerd. I like stuff like that. You know, what am I gonna do? Put it on my back? Probably not, but I like things like that. So yeah, super nice. Give you a back view once again. Oh, guys, I ain't even done pockets. Left hand side, right hand side. Really nice pockets. Really nice pockets. You can definitely put a couple of the kids in here, and then in the other one you can put maybe all their toys. Do you know what I mean? Couple kids, all their toys out of the pocket, and perfect for when you're walking down the street with your hands in your skyrocket. Beautiful. As you can see, you already feel like a geezer with this jacket on. Beautiful colour, lovely collars. Do you know what I mean? When you're feeling a bit understated but know that you're the shit, this is the jacket you're going to put on. You know what I mean? Walking down the street, hand in your skyrocket, really calm, really collected. Everyone knows you're the man because they're like, ooh, that's a beautiful blue. Gorge. Anyway, now, left hand side, right hand side, higher pockets. This one's a zipped one. You put your hand in, couple bars of gold, you're good to go, no problem. Equilibrium is not a beautiful thing because on the other side you have this envelope pocket which is fastened by a rivet, as you can see. Let's put our hands in and see wagwan. Hands in, once again, few bars of gold, you're good to go. Different style pockets, but both as useful as each other. Really nice, guys. Oh, I've not shown you this beautiful orange badge, yellow badge button right up there. Gorgeous CP Company, as you can see what it says. Beautiful. Guys, it's just a beautiful piece. I'm definitely going to wear this one on a special occasion without this, you know, more on a sort of nice summer, spring day, you know, when I'm feeling like a boss and, you know, I want the world to know that I'm bossy. Anyway, guys, today I've got on this Bear 77 100% cotton, made in France, limited edition, vintage. I think it's almost vintage. Baseball cap. I have a few of these actually for sale. It's one size. Like I said, they're super rare. We made them years ago when we was trying to start Bear 77. Never sold them, but they're going to be up for sale on the site because I'm bringing it back. I know I keep talking about it, but you'll see soon. So really nice. You can see I don't care bear carrying the pint. That's yeah, if you want to know more, hit me up. I've got on this black t-shirt here from River Island, really nice fit. I've got on some Stone Island joggers, as you can see, and I've got on some lemonades, as you can see. So yeah, man. Guys, thank you for watching. It's been dope as always. Stay dope, stay fly. I'm gonna catch you on the flip side. Please leave your comments down below. And yeah, this has been another episode of Nice Bit of Kit That. I've been your host, P Fire, and this has been Once. We're Not Saying, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. So yeah, peace, gang.